Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11. The name of the chapter is Measures of Weight. Measures of weight. You know that measures of weight. Measuring weight is very important in our daily life, because when we go to the market or any shop, then we need to tell the shopkeeper how much quantity, how much weight we need to buy the objects. We need to tell the shopkeeper that 1 kg or 2 kg or any other, how much gram or kilogram we need to buy the objects. So that's why measurements of weight, measures of weight in each case, in any case, measurement of weight is very important in our daily life. We measure the mass or weight of an object in gram. We measure the mass or weight of an object in gram. So gram is the standard unit of weight. Gram is, but gram is the smaller, and also gram is the smaller unit of weight. That means when we will measure the smaller object of smaller weight, আমরা যখন অল্প ওয়েটের কোনো একটা জিনিসকে মেজার করব, then we will use gram unit. And when for heavy object, when we will measure the weight of any heavy object, then we will use the bigger unit called kilogram. So gram is the smaller unit of weight and kilogram is the bigger unit of weight, and gram is also the standard unit of weight. Okay, so when we will measure the lighter object, যখন কোনো হালকা কোনো একটা অবজেক্ট আমরা মেজার করব, অবজেক্টের obviously অবজেক্টের ওয়েটটা মেজার করব, then we will use the gram unit. And when we will measure the weight of heavy object, কোনো একটা heavy objectের weight আমরা যখন মেজার করব, then we will use the kilogram unit. Okay, so remember this, gram is smaller than the unit kilogram, and kilogram is greater than the unit gram. So kilogram can be written as kg and gram can be written as g. So this is the short form of kilogram, this is the short form of gram, and you have to remember this relation, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. If I ask you 5 kg equal to how much gram? 5 kg equal to 5000 gram. If I ask you 2000 gram equal to how much kg? 2000 gram equal to 2 kg, because you know that 1000 gram equal to 1 kg, so that is 2000 gram equal to 2 kg. Okay, so using this relation we can convert any kilogram into gram or any gram into kilogram. Now everyone look at here. Here you can see some picture of weights. These commonly used weights are given here. So these weights are used commonly in shop or any shop. Using these weights, a shopkeeper or a person can measure the weight of any object. This is the weight of 50 gram, this is 100 gram weight, this is 200 gram weight, this is 500 gram weight, this is 1 kg weight, 2 kg weight, 5 kg weight, 10 kg weight, 20 kg weight. These are the commonly used weight which can be used in any shop for measuring the weight of any object. Okay, now everyone open 144 page from your maths book. This is your maths book, which is the Prachi Publications book. Okay, so everyone open this maths book, page number 144. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. You can see here two picture. One is pencil and one is on a mathematics book. Can you tell me which one is heavy? কোনটা ভারী? হেভি মিন্স ভারী। কোনটা ভারী, একটা পেন্সিল নাকি একটা বুক? Easily you can say that, and pencil is lighter than a book. So, or the book is heavier. Which one is very heavier? The book is heavier. In this case, a brick A brick and a eraser. Can you tell me which one is heavier? The brick is heavier. Next, you can see here Bittu and mirror. Bittu and mirror. He is Bittu and she is mirror. So can you tell me who is lighter? Mira is in the upper position. That means Mira is lighter. So Mira is lighter. Next, you can see two picture of one is papaya and the another one is banana. So can you tell me which one is heavier? You can it is your general knowledge that papaya is heavier than a banana. So a papaya is heavier. The papaya is heavier. Okay. Now let's come to the next topic. Addition of kilogram and gram and subtraction of kilogram and gram. This is actually same as the addition and subtraction of centimeter and meter. Centimeter and meter, and this is same as the addition of 2 and 3 digit number with and without carry. So in this case I will solve just one question, this question. 325, 245, 456. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So 16 cannot be written at a particular place. 6 will come here, 1 will carry here. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2 will come here, 1 will carry here. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1026 kg. This will be the answer. Okay. Next one. Look at this question. Kg, gram. You have to start addition from the right side. This is very easy addition. This is just like the addition. This is simple addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 will carry here. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Next 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 8, 12. So 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 will come here and 1 will carry here. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 820 kg, 440 gram. This will be the answer. Okay. So I hope all of you can understand this type of addition. This is just like the simple addition. Next, subtraction of kilogram and gram. This is actually same as the subtraction of centimeter and meter, and this is as well as this is same as the subtraction of 2 and 3 digit number with borrow and without borrow. Now everyone look at here. This question. I will solve some subtraction, but you have to solve all the subtraction and addition from your book. 345 minus 267. 5 minus 7. This is less than this, so we cannot subtract 7 from 5. So 5 will become 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 4, we will borrow 1 from 4. So this 4 become 3. 3 minus 6, but we cannot subtract 6 from 3. So 3 become 13 and this 3 become 2. 13 minus 6, 7. 2 minus 2, 0. So 78 kg. This will be the answer. Next, this one. 556 kg, 300 gram, 248 kg, 150. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, but 0 has nothing, 0 is less than 5. So we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So this 0 become 10 and 3 become 2. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 8. So we cannot subtract 8 from 6. 6 becomes 16. 5 become 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 308 kg, 150 gram. This will be the answer. This is how you can do the addition and subtraction of kilogram and gram. So after watching this video, you have to complete page number 144, 145 and 146. And if you have any queries to understand any topic from your today's class, you will ask me.